Thank you so much for joining us. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman with update on this wild forecast that we've had all day today. Gusty winds today have been an extreme issue today, along with snow, and rain continues for all of southeast lower Michigan. And on top of that, we're under wind advisory until Friday, until 6 a.m. in the morning, so kind of stay tuned because it is going to be a bumpy ride. We're not just talking about that, and power outages are also a possibility. We will keep an eye on that and all that, so we have a lot to cover here in a very little time. So these are the details that I do know so far. Slushy, light snow accumulation possible for southeast lower Michigan. Wet snow will continue to move southwest to northwest over lower Michigan. Northwest winds gusting to near 45 miles an hour through the evening tonight. Light snowfall accumulations will continue to be a possibility. Scattered snow rain mix this afternoon will switch over to all snow tonight, so along with the wind, sometimes the winds could go up to at least 50 miles per hour. Right now we're getting reports of 45 mile per hour wind gusts around southeast lower Michigan, so it is quite a mess. And just hold on to your hats if you're going to be out there tonight, and we'll tell you when we're expected to have improvements. But all of this nasty weather that we have today is going to be out of the picture tomorrow, and I'll tell you what the forecast is going to be for our Friday for the Tigers game. We'll talk about that coming up, but until that time, bundle up if you're going to be out, because it's going to be a messy one. We'll talk about the snow coming up after this.